Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we are doing some computer stuff. And I know I haven't done any computer stuff, I haven't done any car stuff. So we're going to do some computer stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Hyper 212 Evo onto an LGA 2011 socket. And also we're going to try and see if you can use a supremely underpowered power supply. Because for this, I have a 300 watt power supply that I just found, an R7 260X, and I think that's an i7 3820. So hopefully it doesn't blow up. Maybe it does. I'm a little nervous to do it, to be honest. And if it boots, I have Windows XP, because I'm poor. I just have Windows XP. So yeah, we're gonna try and resurrect this thing. I might actually install Ubuntu. I haven't decided yet, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try to do it, and let's hope it doesn't blow up. Alrighty, so to start out with, you're going to on the LGA 2011, the Hyper 212 Evo comes with a bunch of things and instructions. So firstly, you're gonna screw these in, which I've already done because it takes a while, and then you're going to set up the cooler next. I've already taken off the fan, like the instructions say so. Alrighty, so for this part, okay, so normally I would be tripoding, but I can't because I have lost my tripod mount. So you have the cooler, you have the mount, and you just kind of slide it in there like that. There are little pegs that will align it, and you want it to be on setting 2. And you know, the more square one. And here, let's get to applying the thermal paste. Alrighty, so you're just going to want to put a little... Okay, that's a little bit too much, but you know, that's okay. Some people say to spread it around, some people don't. I personally don't because I am lazy. And the CPU cooler holding it down will do it. So that's all you need. And then let's get to getting the cooler on. Alright, so right now I'm aligning the cooler, and you know, it's pretty obvious. You just want to put the screws in the right spots. Sometimes it just doesn't want to go. Alright, and then you're just gonna... Okay, well, I don't like it clocked that way. Alrighty, so I got it clocked, straight, really, and I'm just gonna start tightening down the screws. I'm just gonna get it started, and then I'm gonna go across and get this one started. And then I'm gonna do this one. And then I'm gonna do this one. And then I'm gonna tighten them all in the same sequence all the way down. Alright, now it is all put together, and if we double check the instructions, after you do all that, you just put the fan on and you plug it in. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm pretty sure, well, I mean, I took the fan off. I'm not 100% sure which way. Let's see. Well, it doesn't have a direction, so I'm just gonna... Ooh. Okay. Alright, so it'll just clip on like that, and I don't know why that is still swiveling. That should not be happening. Alright, just... Yeah, that should not... Man, it's tight. It's tight. Alright, so... let's go ahead and plug it into the fan header, which CPU fan. I'm a dumbass. It's right there. And it's going to be this little... You're going to reach. Man, this was really not designed for this motor. Alright, and then you just... It's typically a 4-pin. And you just plug it in, and then you are good. And then, you know, obviously you can cable manage, and such. Let's go ahead and try and fire this up. I'm a little nervous. I gotta hook up. This is the only spare mouse that I have. So that'll be fun. And let me get my keyboard, which is also Legacy. Oh, so that 300 watt power supply that computer came with another RX or R7 260X, but that was like 600 watts. And I'm trying really hard not to break this thing. So, you know, let's hope that it doesn't explode, and let's hope that it just doesn't boot. Because if it just doesn't boot, then we're all good, and then I have to buy another power supply. But if it fails, then, well, we're screwed. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. I got my PS2 keyboard and my PS2 mouse and my very smudgy TV screen. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Oh! Yup, I knew it. I knew it wasn't gonna work. Okay, hey, let's try that again. Whoa! Okay, it's gonna be in a boot loop. Watch. See, it'll start up and then it won't. On the plus side, our CPU fan is. Right. Yep, and only one fan on this graphics card is spinning. Alright, here, let's unplug that. No. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Alrighty. So, yeah, I'm really hoping I didn't just break it. I don't think I did. So if you try to run a PC with, you know, a power supply that's half of what it needs, it doesn't turn on. I mean, that's not really a surprise, but, you know, it was a fun experiment. Kind of. It was really nerve-wracking. I was really nervous. So, I will get back to you guys once I get, like, a 700 watt power supply. This is a 300. Like, it wouldn't even boot, as you saw. It literally just barely turned the fans, and then, actually, just to see if I blew it, let's, okay, alright, here, let's unplug it, unplug it, no. Okay, it just makes a really weird noise, so I was nervous. Yeah, so that is what happens when you try to run. Let me get the cord out. That's what happens when you try to run a PC on a power supply that is rated for half of what it needs. Once I get a 750 watt power supply though, we'll be able to run both of these in SLI, or it's a Radeon card, in Crossfire, and then we will be able to see the true power of the i7-3820. Yeah, it's old tech. I mean, I'll be running it on, let's see, can you see that? You cannot. On an 80 gig hard drive, from very long ago, because it has Windows XP on it, which is an operating system. That's about it. So, yeah, no, I will definitely make a follow-up video once I get a good power supply. I will eventually need a good hard drive and a good Windows 10 key, but I think this is going to be my new editing PC, because my laptop is a laptop. Yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of the video, and I will see you later.